Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. So, it's nearly Christmas and I thought I'd do another like festive kind of vibe look using the bronzes, the golds, the glitter, the glam, the jazz. What am I on about? I really don't know. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do this gorgeous makeup look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because your support means absolutely everything to me. So let's go back to the beginning. Let's get to it. So we're going to get started by applying Costa Riche MAC pencil at the lash line. And this is just going to etch our shape out for our look. It's not a perfect line. It's a relatively thin line that gets thinner on the inner corner of the eye and pulls out a little bit. Then I take it underneath as well. Bye! Then what I'm going to do now is just blend that out. This is a Spectrum A21 brush. You can see how beautifully that's just blended out, absolutely effortlessly as well. Next, I'm going to go in with the Mercier Moonlight shadow sticks. These are amazing. I love these type of pencils because they're so easy to apply and they're long wearing as well. So just running that on the inner third of the eye, avoiding the close to the lash line, joining where the edge finishes of that eyeliner. And then I'm going back to that same blending brush to just soften those edges up. Like so. Then I'm going to go in with this gorgeous Shiseido Aura Dew in Cosmic. It's like an eyeshadow with a bit of glitter. This almost looks like a gloss when you apply it. So what I'm going to do here, and this is quite a spongy texture, it's like a gel suspended with powder, so you don't want to go too hard in there. But what this will do is adhere really beautifully to the base. And I'm going to focus that on the inner third of the eye, actually halfway across eyeline. And can you see how it just picks up that beautiful glitter? I'm almost going to blend it out with my finger, so I'm smudging all the edges there. I'm obsessed with these Dear Dahlia liquid eyeshadows. So this is in the shade, oh, Actress, there we go. I wasn't acting. So these you just use the applicator. It's like a lip gloss applicator. And I'm just applying that on the inner, and this will give it, so I'm not taking it as far as the other one, but you can see how it just gives it that beautiful festive vibe. But the glitter's so fine that I think this is actually, if you want to wear glitter and you're worried about it, go for this because it's so fine, it's beautiful. And anyone is lying if they say you can't wear glitter past a certain age. Just want so I can see a slight bump in that, so I'm just going to take, there we go, that's better. Right, and what I want to do is just define the lash line a little bit more. So just taking the pencil again, just layering. I think the real secret of being good at makeup is building, layering, editing. It's not about necessarily doing it perfect the first time, so don't worry, it's all practice. And I'm just going to blend that through. I'm doing a back and forth blend, and this will keep everything quite controlled at the lash line, so it doesn't kind of travel too far. Cute. Curl those lashes.
So the secret to curling your lashes is aiming this top part for your crease. Look down as you do it as well, and then what I do is I pump it along the length of the lash. I'm not actually using a mirror, so I'm just feeling my way. And what that pumping does down the lashes, it gives more of a lifted curl rather than a bend sometimes that you can get. And then sometimes you can feel your lashes tickling your brow bone. It's always a delight. I'm going to use this Dahlia Palma mascara, which is amazing. If you love drama, full lashes, this is called MyToyBoy mascara, and it's huge. It's a bit wider than my face.
And what I like about the brushes is it's got a slightly nipped waist, so what that does is it applies it really nice and evenly with a curl to it and lift. So what I do is I blink it on, and that basically transfers a little bit, like the perfect amount, to your lower lash line without you having to tinker too much. It's almost got like a rose smell to it. I'm sure it's got like rose in it. And if they do kind of clog up a little bit, just get your wand and just tickle tickle. And with your lashes, what you really want to focus on when applying mascara is focus on the direction of growth. So these inner ones really want to be pulling towards your nose. These ones want to be going straight, while these ones want to be fanning out a bit more. Obviously depending on what shape you want to achieve with your lashes as well. Oh, but look at that mascara. It is kind of like in a proper mirror. And I think what would finish this look off perfectly is this Fenty gloss. I picked this up recently. This is Gloss Bomb Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Are you ready for it? It's beautiful. It's like honey on the lip. Love the massive doe fit. If you love glosses and you don't have this, you need to get them because the formulas are insane. And that is the finished look. Cheers, Merry Christmas, and all the love. You've got me through this year. We'll do the same next year, okay? Please subscribe if you haven't already, and pop any comments or any other looks you'd like to see below. Big love, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.